to my channel. So today I want to do a quick analysis basically on XAU and GBPUSD, only these two pair. So I'll first of all start with XAUUSD. So on this XAUUSD, this is monthly time frame. So as you can see, the three candles is already bearish. The last three candles is bearish, which has already given us that the gold is bearish for now, and it's currently ranging inside this CRT. Inside this particular CRT here. So on this monthly time frame, I'll be expecting stuff like price to react from here, from this particular zone, then start pushing up again. If I'm to say, this is what I'll be expecting, or something like this. Price can actually came into this FVG, but this one may not be possible. It is low probability. And then, but once it's coming inside this FVG, nothing could stop it from buying from here. If you say to disrespect all these zones here, you know that you respect here. So moving down to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, as you can see, price is also bullish on weekly time frame. After this last break here, under this particular last break here is my liquidity, and then price is actually reacting from this other block, using also this small pullback as the inducement before the actual break. So as you can see, once price tap into this zone, then it started moving up, which is targeting this particular high on this weekly time frame. So as you can see, price is currently reacting from this weekly zone here, and it has already created a CRT for buy, but it will be confirmed if it actually goes bullish. It's still forming. It hasn't given us the real confirmation, but if it actually goes bearish, you know that you buy XAUUSD to here. So this is my view on weekly time frame. This is actually my view on weekly time frame. So going down to daily time frame. On daily time frame, as you can see, it seems to be that market has already this is my last break. On daily time frame, my last break of structure, but price didn't actually take out the low, so I don't confirm it bearish for now. Here is more like a sweep, assuming that here close with the body candle. I'll consider it that it is bearish now, but it didn't break. It just break with a week. It just sweep with a week. So as you can see, after price tapping into this place, this my daily zone, then it give a market structure shift here. Give me a market structure shift here, and then a liquidity. Let's see below this other block, this particular other block, and you can see price actually came to later from it, and then it also give me a market structure shift here after reacting from the first zone with this it is pullback, but it's not a strong pullback though, and then price would have buy from here, but didn't respect the zone and even sweep out this low, even sweep out this low. So on XAUUSD I'm still seeing some kind of buy, but looking inside, all this some kind like as you can see, it is on a bullish trend and is on a bearish trend. Like the overall trend is bullish, but there is some there is something that is making it to be bearish. So as you can see from here, there was a market structure shift here. This is my market structure shift, and then my liquidity here, and then as you can see, price actually take out this by liquidity, then tap into this zone. After tapping into this zone, then also gave me a market structure shift here, a liquidity here, and then take out this liquidity also and tap into this other block here. After tapping into other block here, it also gave me another confirmation here, a break from here, and then here is my liquidity. So for now, I'm expecting like gold to like come into this particular zone. I mean this green candle, this should have this green candle to come into this zone. Then I wait confirmation to take out this particular low. As you can see on daily, price is trying to create a CRT here, and on this, on weekly, and on this daily time frame, price is more like bullish for now. It's either that price will actually buy from here, or if you do respect this one, and once you respect this one, I'll be targeting this particular low. This particular low is being I draw on liquidity, my overall draw on liquidity. Then after that, I'll look for another confirmation and try to buy or sell. So let me go down to 4 hours time frame. On this 4 hours time frame, as you can see on this 4 hour time frame, it is clear that gold is bullish. Gold is bearish. It is so clear that gold is bearish. So as you can see, this was the zone on daily. Wait, let me clear all this stuff. As you can see, this was the zone on daily. Price will first react to for bullish trend, then give a market structure shift here, and then a liquidity was formed. Then I expected that price to actually come into this zone and also buy. And as you can see, after price sweeping this particular liquidity, price came into this zone, react, take out this particular high. But I was expecting it, because I actually see this zone, I was expecting it to take out this particular high. It didn't. It just take out the internal structure and then dump and disrespect all the zone, and which has given me a confidence that gold may sell. Yeah. And also on this 4 hours time frame, you can see here is a trend line liquidity. There is a trend line liquidity at this place, at this particular point. Yeah. So I'll be expecting gold on this 4 hours time frame. I'll be expecting gold at least take out this particular low. So on this 4 hours time frame, as you can see, here it will be my point of interest. I'll actually wait for sell. Once it came into this space, then I'll look for my confirmation and sell at least to take out this particular low first. I won't just target the overall target to take it this particular phase out, something like this. So let me go to 3 hours time frame. 3 hours time frame is also a valid zone. This is the phrase that my liquidity was formed on 3 hours time frame. Yeah, so I'll try to wait for price to come into the zone. Then on 2 hours time frame, also the same thing, another block. 1 hour time frame, nothing much, also the same thing. So this is my view, my overall view, my overall bias on daily time frame, I mean on XAUUSD. On this weekly, see that either this CRT holds, or the bearish trend hold, but the bearish trend dey more valid than the CRT and thing. So this is my view. This is my view on XAU. So I think I'll be moving down to GBPUSD to also do my quick analysis on it. So here on GBPUSD, as you can see, price has been bearish for a long time. After a break, then price came to react from the nearest zone, which take out this particular liquidity here. Just a quick one. Then after a break here, price also do the same thing, coming into this other block, and then take out the low. Just a break, then come into the origin, take out the low, also do the same thing here. So as you can see, price has been taking out the low. It means that GBPUSD has been bearish on monthly time frame, and I'm also expecting it to actually take out this particular low again. So as you can see on GBPUSD, it is currently reacting from this other block here. Price is currently reacting from this particular other block here. So I'm expecting it to like also dump and then take out this particular low. So this is my view on monthly time frame. I'm expecting myself. So going down to weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, as you can see, price have already given me a market structure shift, and then also came to sweep out the high that gave me a market structure shift. Thus if it didn't close with what they can do still, so that's why it is sweep. After the sweep, it also gave me a market structure shift here, a liquidity, here, and then price take it out, and then started react and came into this other block as I said. So now on this day time frame, I'm expecting price to like at least take out this particular low on weekly time frame. This is what I'm actually expecting on weekly time frame. So going down to daily time frame. So here on daily time frame, the zone is a valid zone. The zone it is coming from a other block, and then as you can see on this daily time frame also, price have already given me a market structure shift, and it already reacting from this my other block. When I was teaching yesterday, I actually saw this setup that by the time I was teaching yesterday, it haven't triggered. So now it has already triggered and gave me this particular liquidity. Here before tapping in. So I'm also expecting it to take out this low. So going down to 4 hours time frame. So here on this 4 hours time frame, you see that liquidity I was talking about. It was like engineering liquidity. It's not normal liquidity, it's more like a engineering liquidity. So as you can see, it's also a clean one here. After this massive break from here, break to the bearish trend, as you can see, price come and tap in, take out this liquidity, and then tap into this my zone, which is another block, I mean a breaker block. So it's also the same thing. So my target on this 4 hours now, just to take out this particular low, yeah. So going down to 3 hours time frame. On 3 hours time frame, as you can see, it's also a valid one. It's also the same thing on 3 hours time frame. So 2 hours time frame. So so on this 2 hours time frame, it's also the same thing, a breaker block. Yeah, it's essentially coming from a breaker block. So now go down to lower time frame to look out for my entries, since it have already tapped into the zone I'm expecting for sell. So now look for confirmation and then buy. So let me look out for 1 hour first. Okay, on 1 hour there is no break already, there is no break here, there is not a clear structure here. So I'll go down to 45 minutes. On 45 minutes, there is no valid break here. I may consider this as a low probability break. So I'll be going down to 15 minutes time frame, because I don't actually use 30 minutes time frame. It does not work for me. But let me check it. I don't use 30 minutes time frame for my analysis. So going down to 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes time frame, it's also a decent thing with 45 minutes. This is my break, my market structure shift. Also here. And also, as you can see, after this market structure shift, price created this liquidity here, but I should not confirm this. I'm not expecting price to come and respect this particular zone and start selling. I'm not expecting sell for now from here. But wait, let me check where I try. So basically, I'll be expecting more sales from here. So I'll be expecting, it's a valid zone. It's actually a valid zone. Well, there is a zone here that may invalidate this particular zone and mark out. You see, the zone have a sweep of liquidity and then break here. But this zone will be valid if price actually creates another engineering liquidity while approaching the zone. Maybe create a engineering liquidity and then tapping. So this is my view on GBPUSD. So let me take out all this stuff and mark it out well. So I'll be expecting something like this for price, but here I'll based on if you actually give me an engineering liquidity, then I will sell from this zone. To take out this particular low. Let me look for my nearest run liquidity. At least target this phase, because this phase may actually push price. Yeah, so here will be my target, but price is like, I'm seeing a kind of like price you actually sell from here. I think selling from here will be better. After this break, it was a double break, because this one seems to be a break here, because it didn't actually close with a bad candle here, so it's also a break here, and then a liquidity was formed. According to my rules, this particular zone is valid. It's a valid zone. It's a very valid zone. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm actually expecting. I mean, I'm not taking this one anymore. This is my setup on GBPUSD. This is my view. Yeah. So this is my end of the section for now. So see you all. Thank you all for watching to the end. I really appreciate it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll say share. You can also drop your comments, ask your question. I'm here to answer you all. So thank you guys.